I will be keeping it short and simple as I will be explaining Shibai's scaling, specifically the tier 1A, also known as outerversal. When discussing Shibai, it's really just semantics surrounding his ascension, but before we begin with need to get an actual understanding on dimensional theory, dimensions and how they're fundamentally dependent upon physical reality and measurable qualities similar to the human body, which is 3D, and the geometry of our 4D universe, which is how we determine an object to be spatially coordinated. Amato made a hypothesis about Shibai's ascension, stating that he went to a higher dimension where the material body isn't a requirement. In the exact same chapter, Momoshiki confirmed this to be true, and that Shibai isn't in the dimension anymore. The English translations give the idea he went to a higher spatial coordinate to people who don't understand dimensional theory, but that would blatantly contradict how dimensions work, since stacking spatial axes just grant more degrees of freedom to something that has a quality capable of measurement within the physical reality. The raw kanji say Shibai is a higher dimensional existence that supports the notion. Amato was simply speaking from a descriptive point of view about Shibai's nature instead of concluding he is literally in a higher spatial coordinate. The kanjis used ko jigen, zai ake jigen, no san zai. This is used when in reference to higher mathematical dimensions, such as 4D. However, while the kanji can be used to describe an entity in a higher spatial coordinate, it can also be used to describe the nature of a being's existence. Since we already have context and understand how something lacking measurable qualities cannot be located in any spatial axis or temporal dimension, this would be implying qualitative superiority instead of quantitative. In conclusion, Shibai is outerversal, logically cannot occupy any space via surpassing material composition.